Can you hear me, sir, everyone? Hello? Hello? Prakash, it's audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, okay.
Yes,
Okay, start.
audible.
I thought some disturbance will be there. So let us start. So option trading is the only option for traders now, because with low investment they would make money. But in the form of premium, everyone are losing the premium because of time decay or because of the volatility, and the time frame is very less for option premium decay, all those things. So if you are going for a weekly option, just 5 trading days we are going to pay at the money 300 to 400 rupees, 400 points as a premium. That is around 10,000. So only if we know for this week, Bank Nifty will move 1,000 points up or 1,000 points down. If we know the range only, we should try to enter an option. Not simply it is 400 rupees, we are affordable with 10,000, we want to make 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees profit. It's not going to happen. So first of all, for this week, for example, today is the first day of the week. So 5 trading days is left. At the money option is around 350 to 370 levels. I'll show you what things can be done. So how much options we have to buy at the money or little bit out of the money, far out of the money or in the money. Most of us, what we do is we blindly enter, it is cheap, I'll take this much risk like that. We don't know the range for the market, whether it will go 500 points up, 1,000 points up. And this nobody can predict, but to a certain extent we can predict. So my view is, first, if at all we don't know the range, entering an option is really a waste. So we want to know the range and enter the option. So in my view, I would like to give my some awareness of how to trade an option. Okay, now here actually I got given all the options put from 31,000 to 32,000. Same way Bank Nifty futures, and call option from 31,000 to 32,000. So in my view, now the spot rate is 31,300. So 31,300 put is trading around 342 rupees. So for your information, even on Wednesday, if the spot is around 31,300, this will be trading around 140 rupees. So 200 rupees decay is possible for 4 trading days. Just understand the scenario. Now it is trading around 340 rupees. 31,300 is the at the money put. It is trading around 340. Same way, 31,300 call option is trading around 365. And these two will be, if the spot rate is 300 on Wednesday, then also the premium decay will be only 200 rupees. Okay, got my point? So if the market moves to 31,500 on Wednesday, next Wednesday, that time 200 rupees will be the instant value, and the premium will be 150. Then also you will be in the cost or nearby small profit. So whenever you take an option, you should know what will be the range for this week. For example, last week range was around 1,000 something, 1,200 points. So let us assume this week also some 1,000 points move, either upside or downside. So in this 1,000 points, what we want to do? If you take at the money 31,300, if the market moves by 600 points from here, say 31,900 or 31,800, this option will be trading around 600 rupees. And if it is go to 32,000, it will cross 700 rupees. So your investment is doubled. You're buying for 350, you're selling for 700. Okay. So we want to know the range. So first of all, we should know how to calculate. For example, most of us are doing the intraday trade. And today, can you see this Bank Nifty I had given futures? Today's high is 31,425 and low is 31,250. It is just 175 points only. Usually Bank Nifty will be having a range around 400 to 500 points range every day. For example, if you get and buy in your system, if you are following any indicators, if you get a buy in Bank Nifty now, for example, it is 350. Okay.
Okay.
If you get a buy around this level, and most of us don't know the target. Now, we should know the day's range. For one day, the range will be 400 to 500 points. And today, because of US holiday and other markets are holiday, very thin volume and very less people are participating. So today it won't be the scenario. Today it will be in this range only, maybe another 50, 70 points up or down.
Ito boy. Okay.
Hello?
And
So today, for example, if it is some other day, if the low is 250 and the high is 425, you are buying the futures, watching the futures, and you are buying at the money call or something, and your target will be from low, it will go at least 400 to 450 points. Okay, got my point? Hello?
hello.
Got my point?
Yes, sir.
So from this rate, and you take the low, from low it will be moving 400 points. Okay. So that means Bank Nifty target is 250 plus 450. So 31,650 will be the target. That is what the minimum range I am giving.
Yes.
There are other indicators which we have to watch. That is also a different story, and we'll try to catch everything. Okay. Now, simplified things, we should know the range for a Bank Nifty. So every day Bank Nifty will be moving in a range between 400 to 500 points. Say yesterday it was 400 points, day before it was 430 points. So if you take the ball copy for bank for 2-3 contracts, you will get what is the range, average range for Bank Nifty. Along with the average range, you can enter. You are bullish, you can go for buying a call option. If you think market will come down, you go for a put option. Okay. And every 100 points move in Nifty, Bank Nifty, you will get 50 points at the money. When the market moves up, another next 100 points jump, you will get 65 points. Okay. So it keeps on, the range will, this thing will be increasing. Premium will be decreasing and the profit will be increasing for next 100 points. First 100 points from 350 to 450, your option will give 50 rupees profit, 50 points profit. And from 450, if it goes to 550, that time you will get another 60 points. So 110 points profit for 200 points move. So this is the way it will be moving. There are some other this thing, theta, delta, and all those things. Each and everyone can't sit and think about it. For example, now we are entering call option around 364, assuming market will go another 300 points from here. So that means immediately what we want to do at the time, whatever time we enter, immediately 300 points below strike call option rate is 540. So when the market moves 300 points, our call option will be trading around 540. Got my point?
Yes.
So now we are buying the call option for 365 and nobody knows the target, what rate it will be if 300 points are going upside. We will assume it will go 300 points, means 250 points it will go, or 100 points only it will move, that we don't know. So here 3 strike rate below, that is 300 points below strike rate is trading around 540. So if you buy for 365, you are selling for 540. 180 points benefit in 300 points up move.
Up more.
Okay. Got my point? So out of the 300 point, how much you have to utilize? You want to make that 180 points profit, or if you are comfort with 70-80 points in an intraday basis, it is very, very fantastic. So option trading, if you are comfort with making 60 to 70 points in one entry, it is a huge returns. For example, we are investing only 7,000 rupees, and if you are getting 80 points or 60 points, whatever it is 1,500 per lot.
Right.
So from morning to evening, I mean, before closing, you will comfortably get at least, in my view, more than 3 or 4 opportunities. Okay. And if you wait for a longer time, the TK will be there. So our targets and all those things will get confused and we'll get panic also. So first of all, we want to know on first day, which option we should try to take. First day, you try to take at the money. Or next day, first trading day of the week, 5 days is there, no? So Friday, usually on Fridays, you take at the money call option. So that will give better result. You note in a paper whatever it is like that. So first day, you take at the money. Okay. Second trading day, you try to take one below the at the money, in the money. Okay. And third day, again you have to take two in the money, two strike rate in the money, not far away, two strike rate in the money. That will give a fantastic profit. If you go for out of the money, even if the bank nifty moves by 100 points or 200 points, that will won't give any benefit. That's where everyone are getting stuck and they lose the money. So never go for at least not more than two strike rate out of the money. So now running, spot rate is 31,300 means never ever take 31,600 or 800 call option. Maximum 31,500 out of the money. Two strike rate out of the money, maybe. So if you know the target of 31,050, that time you can try to take 31,500 call option. Okay, got my point? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, got my point? Everyone are hearing? Okay.
Hearing.
So
I got it.
are losing money in call option. For your information, in spite of taking futures in call option or put option, we are tempted to take 2 lots or 5 lots or 10 lots because we are paying only the premium. If you want to take a future, 1,30,000. Whereas in option, you are giving 7,500 rupees only as a premium. So we are tempted to take 3 lots, 5 lots. And if the price comes 30, 40 rupees, our loss will be more than 2,000 or 3,000. Then what we will do, we'll close our positions. So you should not trade like that. You should take maximum 2 positions or 3 positions, not 10 lots or 20 lots. Okay, if you have 75,000 in your account, you can take 10 lots, call option. You don't do that.
Yes.
Try to take 3 lots maximum, that is 2 or 3 lots. And if you are sure the rate will go up. For that, one simple thing what you can try to do is always see the average traded price, weighted average daily intraday. You know, can you see this? 31,350 is the average rate. Okay. Whenever market is trading above this average 50, 60 rupees, 50, 60 points, that is the time you have to buy call option. And 50, 40 rupees below this, you try to buy put option. Then only you will get some 100, 200 points rally or downside. You in option, you will get 60 or 80 points. That all this will happen in a matter of maximum 30 to 40 minutes. So this is very important. So you wait for the opportunity, enter, hold your position for maximum 30 minutes or 40 minutes, get 60 rupees profit or 70 rupees profit. And once you are sure with your, if you get practiced all those things, you can try to take 10 lots or 20 lots and come out for 30, 40 points also. That is up to you people. So money management and all those things is there. So you should know the trend first. Whichever indicator you are following, for suppose if you are following RSI, if the RSI is giving a buy signal, okay, you just try to enter a call option. Okay, and that particular time you have to see whether this is trading above the average, intraday average, ATP, weighted average of that day, that particular day. Okay, so these things we should have in our mind and take positions. So average is okay, that is one thing, and you should know the trend. Today, Bank Nifty high low will be 500 points. Now already 250 is the low. So upside 650 may be the target, or 425 is the high. 500 points down means 30,925 will be the low. These two things come to a conclusion. So according to the trend, if you feel if it is the trend is going to be down, so you try to buy a put, wait up to 30,925. So at least 400 to 500 points will be the usual move. For this, you have to take the bow copy and do some research. Not research something. It is very clear. If you take the bow copy, you just try to take the high low of every day for 30 days or 100 days. 4 or 5 contracts, then you will see majority of times the range will be 400 points. Only one day it will be 800 points. Sometimes the last 15 days back, 1700 points now. These things will happen in yearly 2 or 3 times or 5 times in a year. So we can't expect and wait for that. So in the anticipation of that move only, majority of people are trying to take out of the money and they want to make money. So everyone are losing. So don't try to take out of the money. That too very far. Don't take in the money. Take limited quantities. So trade, before trading, you should know the trend and you see the average of that and you see what is the high low at the point of time when you enter. Okay. What are the 3 things?
Yes.
You tell me, sir. Somebody.
No.
Hello. Can anyone tell what I had given you? Okay, I will repeat once again. 3 things we should watch. One is what is the high low at the point of entry time. Suppose you are entering around 12:30. That time you see what is the high low. Okay. If the high low of the day, particular day is around 250 or 300 points, that means another 100 to 150 points probability of move either side is possible. Okay. And if the trend is up, upside chances are there. So that we should know. According to that, if you know that another 200 points or 150 points Bank Nifty is going to go up, that time if you buy an option, you will get 50 or 80 points comfortably. Without knowing the trend, if you get the entry, that is really waste. Okay. That is why many times it will reach the high. From the high, it will come down by 200, 300 points. And second thing is, if you watch, if it is above the average, ATP, weighted average, you buy. This is a general indicator. Everyone knows. If it is above 50 points, that's the phrase you have to buy at another 300 points. So these 2 things you have to watch for that. So selecting an option, as I told you, try to take at the money or in the money, one strike rate in the money, not far out of the money. If the premiums are high, if you get confused, you can maximum go 1 or 2 strike rate out of the money, not far away. So now trading is around the 31,300 means everyone try to take 32,000 put option. Okay. Sorry, call option. It is around 100 rupees. And after some time, it may decay. It may come down. So even the market goes up by 200 points, this will be trading in the same range. So premium will be decaying very fast in the out of the money. So don't try to take far out of the money. Okay. So only if you know the range, you play according to the range. Don't go out of the money. And at the money or one strike rate in the money is advisable. And same way, if you have more fund, don't try to take 10 lots or 15 lots, 20 lots. Just we are paying 5,000 premium and take 10 lots, so 50,000, no problem. So that you don't try to take. As if you trade this as a futures. If you futures, we are not going to take 10 lots or 15 lots because 1,30,000 is the margin, means for 10 lakhs, it will be 10 lakhs plus investment. In futures, we will be controlling because of margin. But here in option, because of anxiety or any other things, don't try to take more options. Have a limited entry and do a safe trade. So in this view, easily you can catch 60 to 80 points. And there are some other things I have to discuss, but it will take a lot of time. It will take 2 days, 3 days to train how to take all these things. But in my view, I'm just giving an awareness which can be the best. Okay. Okay, now I request, if you have any doubts, we can discuss. Any doubts?
No, sir.
So finding the range, finding the trend, there are other indicators or other things. That is a bigger, it will take a lot of time and we should do a lot of homework. Then only we'll get more confidence in this. So in my view, I had given a small awareness and many of them are confused to take which strike rate. As I told you, try to take whatever I had given. Don't go far out of the money on the first day or second day or whatever it is. And if the range, if you think that range is going to happen, then you can go. Otherwise, don't go for far out of the money. Try to take at the money or little bit one or two strike rate.
1 or 2.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, any questions?
Yes, sir. This and
Tell me, sir.
see when it is 31,350, let's say.
Yeah.
So if it is the ATP, if so, what would be the call option we should take near to 31,450 or 31,500?
31,400 or 300, no problem. Don't go far out of the money because we have only 6 hours trading. Now, for example, now already 2:30, just 1 hour is left. So in 1 hour, whether market will move 300 points, very less chances are there. Okay, in this way we have to think. So we want to know the range and whatever, if you feel the market is going to go upside, you buy 31,400 call or 300.
Okay.
And in my view, 200 is very much advisable.
31,200.
It
Okay.
is very advisable. So it will be around 380 rupees or 370 rupees.
Okay.
Only try to take options on expiry day after 2 o'clock. That time the premiums will be very less and the profit chance is very high. For example, it may be around trading around 20 rupees. Okay. And if market moves by 100 points or 200 points, this 20 will become 80 rupees. You'll get 4x, 5x profit on expiry day. So that is a different thing that you have to get trained. Okay. It is not everything can be just given in this half an hour like that. So that skill we have to develop. There are other things which can how to use that move on expiry day. So trading options really actually it is a skill than futures because DK we have to watch time frame, everything is there. Okay.
So do you conduct any courses, sir?
What's that?
Do you conduct any courses?
Yeah, I do take classes, but not in a bigger way. Those who are really interested, I can take classes also. I am from Coimbatore. Okay, I'm Ramkumar from Coimbatore. So I am into this for the past 17, 18 years. I have a lot of experience in hedging and all those things. So now option is highlight for everyone. Even as people, those who have 15, 20,000 investment also, they can trade. They can make 100 rupees, 500 rupees to 1,000 rupees every day if they have some real knowledge. So in my view, learn a lot, enter, make more money. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Anybody
So
else?
we like, do you have any website or we can call you on a direct number?
I don't have. I just note my phone number 98
Yeah.
98 942 20026.
So I'll repeat. It's 9894220026.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Anyhow, see, my it's just an awareness because everyone are losing in options now. For information, I
Correct.
know. Okay. They know, they think the premium is less and enter, they get caught, they lose money. So my viewers, at least learn a lot, and with a very small investment, you can comfortably lead your survival. You can make decent returns every month. You target for 2,000 rupees or 1,500 rupees or 3,000, whatever it is, that can be achieved easily. Okay. So good luck, friends. Have a fantastic and thrilling year also. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for the valuable